Hey everyone, the Huawei MatePad Edge and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra represent two very different visions of what a flagship tablet should be in 2025. Huawei is clearly trying to dissolve the line between tablet and computer, positioning the MatePad Edge as a true two-in-one that can replace a lightweight laptop through deep system-level changes, advanced cooling, and a desktop-class operating mode. Both devices sit at the very top of the tablet market, but they are aimed at users with noticeably different priorities. From a design perspective, the MatePad Edge and Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra could not be more different. Huawei's tablet is thicker and heavier, but that added bulk serves a purpose. The integrated aluminum kickstand is not just a convenience feature, it fundamentally changes how the device is used, making it far more stable on a desk and better suited to long productivity sessions. The internal structure is also more complex, housing active cooling components that are unusual in a tablet. Samsung takes the opposite approach. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is astonishingly thin at just over 5 millimeters, and despite its massive footprint, it feels like a feat of engineering. The Armor aluminum chassis and IP68 rating give it a reassuring sense of durability, even with such a slim profile. Both tablets deliver exceptional displays, but they cater to slightly different use cases. The MatePad Edge features a 14.2-inch panel with a 3:2 aspect ratio, which immediately gives it an advantage for productivity, document work, and multitasking. The paper matte finish reduces glare and eye strain, making it especially comfortable for reading, writing, and drawing over long sessions. With 120 Hz refresh, HDR vivid support, and up to 1,000 nits of peak brightness, it looks excellent for media consumption as well. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra counters with a slightly larger 14.6-inch display in a 16:10 aspect ratio. Peak brightness reaches up to 1,600 nits, giving it an edge in outdoor visibility. While it does have a small notch for the front camera, it quickly fades from attention in daily use. Overall, Huawei's display feels more work-focused, while Samsung's panel is more entertainment-driven. Under the hood, the MatePad Edge is built around Huawei's Kirin X90A platform and pairs it with an unusually advanced cooling system that includes dual fans and liquid cooling. Huawei leans heavily into memory and storage options, offering configurations that go all the way up to 32 gigs of RAM and multi-terabyte SSD storage, which is far beyond what most tablets provide. Combined with Harmony OS 5.1 and its desktop-style interface, the hardware feels designed to handle serious productivity workloads. Samsung's Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra uses the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus, a cutting-edge 3-nanometer chipset that delivers excellent performance across gaming, multitasking, and creative applications. While it does not offer the same extreme RAM and storage configurations as Huawei, it compensates with micro SD expansion and consistently smooth performance without the need for active cooling. The MatePad Edge includes a 50-megapixel main camera paired with an ultra-wide sensor. Its 32-megapixel front camera is neatly hidden in the bezel and performs well for video calls without disrupting the display. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra takes a more conservative approach, with a 13-megapixel rear camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide that feel largely utilitarian. Its 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera is well suited for video conferencing, especially in landscape orientation, and supports 4K video. Battery performance reflects the overall philosophy of each device. Huawei packs a massive 12,900 mAh battery into the MatePad Edge and pairs it with an astonishing 140-watt fast charger. Samsung's Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra has a slightly smaller 11,600 mAh battery, but thanks to efficient hardware and software optimization, it still delivers excellent endurance, often reaching a full day of mixed use. Charging, however, is limited to 45 watt. The Huawei MatePad Edge and Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra are both outstanding flagship tablets, but they serve different types of users. The MatePad Edge is the more ambitious and disruptive device, designed to replace both a tablet and a lightweight laptop through its integrated kickstand, desktop-grade operating mode, advanced cooling, and extreme hardware configurations. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, on the other hand, is a masterclass in refinement. It offers a stunning display, excellent performance, strong multitasking, long-term software support, and a beautifully thin and durable design. It is ideal for users who want the best possible Android tablet for media consumption, gaming, and general productivity without leaving the comfort of Samsung's mature ecosystem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you soon.